Welcome to this video on data analytics, brought to you by Hopeinfotech. What is data analytics? It's the process of collecting, processing, and analyzing raw data to discover meaningful insights, patterns, and trends. It helps businesses make data-driven decisions and predict future outcomes. Data analytics utilizes tools like SQL, Python, Power BI, and Tableau. It is widely used across various industries, including finance, healthcare, retail, and IT. Why choose data analytics? It offers strong career growth and is in high demand globally. Companies need data analysts to interpret large data sets. Data analytics enables organizations to make better, accurate business decisions using real-time insights instead of assumptions. It also opens doors to diverse opportunities in roles like data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, and BI developer. Key features of data analytics include data visualization, predictive analysis, and data integration. These features help organizations analyze large volumes of data, uncover trends, and predict future outcomes. By using these tools, businesses can improve decision-making, optimize operations, and drive data-driven growth. One major challenge in data analytics is poor data quality, including incomplete or inconsistent data. The solution is to implement data cleaning, validation, and governance practices. Modern tools and standardized processes ensure accurate, consistent, and reliable data for better insights. Data analyst roles involve collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data to identify patterns and trends. They use tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and Power BI to create reports and dashboards. A business analyst studies business processes and data to improve efficiency and performance, recommending data-driven strategies to achieve business goals. In conclusion, data analytics is transforming how organizations use information to drive decisions and innovation. Professionals with data analytics skills can build successful careers in big data, business intelligence, and predictive analytics. Key highlights include data visualization, real-time analytics, and data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching this video. You can reach out to Hopeinfotech via phone or visit our website for more information.